Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove GRUB bootloader from UEFI Windows 10 booting. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list space disk. Type cell space disk space 0. Type list space vol. Select system volume. Cell space vol space 3. Type assign space letter equal sign exclamation. Type exit from disk part. CD space, /d space, exclamation. Type dir show directory listing. Type cd space EFI. Type dir show directory listing. Type rmdir/s fedora. Type Y to delete all files and folders. Type exit from command prompt. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.